Hello and welcome to another video of Learn UXID where you learn user experience design and interface design, user interface design. Now, if someone asks me that tell me just 3 things that are going to enhance my designs from basic level to advanced level or pro level or professional level, I would say there are only 3 things you need to master. First is colors or color scheming. Your colors are going to bring impact, or they are going to bring a style of sophistication, delicacy, or these are different styles of design. So the styling is going to be dependent, and one factor is colors. So if you master your color schemes, you are going to rule your designs. You are going to be apart from other designers. So the color scheming is the first step. This is going to be very essential. It is going to bring the, you can say, the brand essence of your product in the eyes of your users or consumers or your customers. So this is the one thing. Now the second thing you have to master is going to be typography. Just like colors, typography also reflects the mood, the style, you can say the essence of your brand. It's just like I am wearing this, you can see this coat and this traditional dress. So if someone is wearing some jeans or pants, or maybe someone is wearing some flappers, or wearing some traditional dress or very colorful dress, so these are different kind of personalities. Similarly, some people will be very tall and slim, some people would be wide and have some build. So these are different personalities. So it is just like you are you can say wearing some or matching dresses. So first thing is your body type or body style. That is your typography. That is going to tell the story that this is how this person or this personality or this product has been built. It is tough, or it is friendly, it is open-minded, or these kind of things. They are going to come from your typography. Then you start wearing some clothes of different colors that are going to be your color scheme. So you get the idea. This is how you scheme your dressing or dress designing. Now the next third part is going to be your spacing. Spacing is that your vertical rhythm, how your design elements has been spaced around your whole design. It is also going to control your layout and spacing. So the third thing would be layout and spacing. Spacing is going to make your design feel very dense, or maybe very airier or open feel, that this thing is very open. Or maybe you can see, if you go to or see the designs of Apple website or thing over there, the things feel very light because they have used very light colors. Things are more spacier, they have more space. Less elements are there on the page just to amplify the product. If you go to the product page of Apple iPhone 13 Pro or any other product of their. So these are the 3 things that are going to decide whether you are a basic designer or you are a pro level designer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to become a pro level designer, you can take my 17 bundle courses. The link in the description below. You can purchase them all together via my website, or you can start the first course free. That is also, the link is in the description below. So I hope you are going to find and become professional user interface and user experience designer. I have like 17 courses. For that reason, I'm not going to advertise anymore. Let's end this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.